today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word easily and effectively. Whether you're working on a school project, a business report, or just want to make your document more navigable, a well-structured table of contents can make a huge difference. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Microsoft Word file. Once you have it up on your screen, we're going to set up your headings, which will form the framework of your table of contents. Imagine you have an introduction section, which is your heading 1, and perhaps a subtopic, which will be heading 2. To assign these headings, navigate to the Home tab, where you'll find the Styles section. Click on Introduction, and then select Heading 1. Repeat the same steps for your subtopic, but select Heading 2 this time. This part is crucial because Word uses these headings to organize your table of contents automatically. Now that we've set up your headings, let's move on to the next step. Click on the References tab located on the top bar of your Word document. The References section is your go-to for anything related to citations, bibliographies, and of course, tables of contents. So once you're there, proceed by selecting Table of Contents. You'll see several format options appear. Choose the one that suits the style and tone of your document best. Whether you prefer a traditional look or something more modern, Word has you covered. And just like that, you should see your table of contents magically appear in your document. It's automatically linked to your headings, meaning that if you click on an item in the table of contents, you'll be directed straight to that section of your document. This is great for navigating longer documents and ensuring your readers can easily find the information they need. There you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've created a dynamic and organized table of contents. If you ever add more sections to your document, just remember to update the table by going to the References tab and selecting Update Table. This way, it will always reflect the most current structure of your document. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any further questions or suggestions for future topics. Until next time, happy writing!